In this video, I'll show you the best low, medium, and high graphics settings to optimize performance and boost FPS in Resident Evil Requiem. Check my video description for this mod. Scroll down. For medium spec PC users, download this balanced picture quality. For low-end devices, download this fluency fast. For high-end graphics users, download this higher picture quality. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install and show you guys the results installing this low-end devices. The install method is same for other users as well. Once download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before dropping this config, you need to back up your config file in your game. Drag and drop the config to desktop. Once you take backup, drag and drop this config mod inside. Now you can launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after FPS boost. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.